Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like Geek Fruit with fellow and television geeks Tejas, Jishnu and Dinkar as they discuss the world of science fiction and nerd culture.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. My name is Nikhil and हाँ कल मैं नहीं था यहाँ पे तो because of some official commitments we have to travel to different places, so someone has to fill in for my place. That was Kevin. He did a good job. Yeah, we got messages that Nikhil is missing from the episode, so that's the reason. Official commitments. ये weekend maybe we'll try to see most of the time when me and Vivek will be here in the studio, but अगर नहीं हो तो someone from our team will come and fill in the spot. So we move ahead with today's double header. Friday, Saturday, Sunday इन्होंने decide कर लिया है कि double header देना है. But before that, okay, Vivek is with me in the studio. I'm done with Bangalore batting. Yeah, you pick all this 10.5 guys और 10 रन भी नहीं मारते, and then we have to जबरदस्ती pick this 8 pointers, 8 credit वाला जो भी है, and that weakens the team. अगर ये 8 credit का प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता कल फिंच भी होता हमारे टीम.
100% फिंच को मैं वैसे मिस नहीं करता हूँ. कल मजबूरी में करना पड़ा. वी ड्रॉप्ड गेल बिकॉज वी न्यू नंबर 1 द बजट इश्यू, अनसर्टेनिटी अबाउट हिज इंक्लूजन इन द टीम, एंड नंबर 3 हिज फॉर्म. सच अ पैथेटिक परफॉर्मेंस फ्रॉम बैंगलोर. एंड Ravi Shastri rightly pointed out when he said they haven't recovered from that 49 all-out Eden Gardens defeat. I think that was a major blow to them. Having said that, they are professionals. They have done incredibly well in the IPL over the years. So they had a responsibility not only towards their franchisee, more so towards their fans, and little towards you and me because we picked them in fantasy cricket. Yeah. So that was very bad, because of which the bowling took a hit. People wrote to us asking whether Irfan would play, why Nattu is there, why not Praveen Kumar. And like I explained, both got dropped. That is Dhaval and Praveen. Number 1. Number 2, Irfan. You and I, we had a conversation. This was off air. When you asked me why not Irfan. Irfan, when he was picked by RPS last year, was given just one opportunity. He was just not given any chance. So I was almost convinced that Gujarat would do the same. If requirement of Irfan was so urgent and so desperate, he would have got absorbed in the auction itself.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. So this is the logic, and that's why we pick Nattu. Now, you could argue saying Nattu didn't bowl. But again, that you could put it down to RCB's pathetic batting. If they could get bowled out for 49, and if Sunil Narine didn't have to bowl one ball, who is Nattu Singh?
Yeah.
That is the logic. So I think it was a fair selection from our part. We also ended up winning. Not too many picked Aaron Finch, rightly so, because you can't leave McCallum. McCallum was playing his 100th match. McCallum is their in-form batsman. McCallum's record in IPL, everybody knows. Yes. And in Bangalore. So considering these factors, we made a very decent selection, and I'm very happy that it worked well for us.
Yes. But we have to, tomorrow I think they are playing Pune. RCB is playing Pune.
I think Pune will be very happy. चलो 2 point आने वाला है घर पे.
Yeah, ऐसे ही लगने लगा है. But then again, the thing is you can't miss Virat and AB.
You cannot miss Virat and
your 22 points are gone there.
Impossible. Regardless of what happens, even if they lose tomorrow's match to Pune, they'll end up playing someone else. You have to pick AB and Virat Kohli. Not Chris Gayle. Head, Watson, always a question mark. But these two and Samuel Badri. पहले 2 विकेट उसी ने निकाला. People wrote to us asking why Samuel Badri, कि उसको डाउट है, ड्रॉप करेंगे. क्रिक बस, क्रिक इन्फो, दुनिया भर का मेजर वेबसाइट से डाउट है. We said नहीं, because अगर कोई उनको विकेट दे सकता है early on, it had to be Samuel Badri.
Badri and Chahal. I think these two guys are,
I will tell you, Fan Garage, we have been talking about Samuel Badri, we have been talking about Rashid Khan. I think one of these franchisees should write to us and say, boss, thank you very much. हम तो 1-1.5 साल से इनका गाना गा रहे हैं कब से. Samuel Badri हमने सर पटकाया, बोला है दुनिया भर का लीग देखो, फर्स्ट ओवर में विकेट ले लेता है. Rashid Khan does the same. Shakib has been a shocker. I don't know why.
I think there has been, sure, let's move on to today's match between Delhi and KKR. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि something is wrong in KKR camp that they are not picking Shakib. Darren Bravo above Shakib was a shocker.
Absolutely. Again, like I say, see, all these franchisees have their own set of rules. They like to follow a particular pattern. But I'm shocked because you see what Shakib has done for KKR over the years.
Yeah.
Part of 2 championship victories. अरे यार, batting, bowling सब कुछ किया. Darren Bravo, I think they wanted a bit of flair and flamboyance at the top. And like I said the other day, Gambhir likes to experiment. Today, Coulter-Nile is coming back.
Okay.
So who's the only replacement? अभी आप बोलोगे कि चलो Colin de Grandhomme को drop करो. I think तलवार उस पे गिर सकती है. But even Darren Bravo is equally vulnerable. Our advice, drop all 3. Why take a chance? When you have Kuldeep Yadav giving you wickets, when you have Sunil Narine giving you wickets, when you have Umesh Yadav giving you wickets, इन चक्करों में क्यों पड़ना है? And when you talk about KKR, Uthappa, Gambhir and Pandey, top 3 से रन आ रहा है तो मैं 4, 5, 6 मेरे को देखना ही नहीं है. तुम लाखों चेंज कर लो, मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So it is a settled team, and that also makes our selection very easy.
Okay. Zahir Khan की engagement हो गई है. Hope the lady luck comes into the team and they start.
Lady luck can go both ways. Number one, Zahir has been doing very well. Okay.
Yeah.
So बहुत लोगों को याद नहीं होगा ये बात. Where the last time Delhi played KKR a few weeks ago in this very IPL, I said Zahir has a fantastic record against Gautam Gambhir.
Yeah.
And he delivered.
Yeah.
So ये जो stats है कुछ मायने रखते हैं, because at the end of the day, a bowler has an edge over the batsman, or a batsman has the edge over the bowler. Today, I don't think we have picked Zahir Khan, right, Nikhil?
We don't.
So the reason being, if you look at Rabada's performance with both bat and ball and so much pace, I genuinely feel Uthappa or Gambhir को Cummins and Rabada attack कर सकते हैं, and KKR could be 20-2 even if they are playing at the Eden Gardens. Number 1. Number 2, I have Mishra because he is their prime spinner. There is no question about it. And then Chris Morris, जिसको मैं कभी ignore ही नहीं कर सकता. हर मैच में 2-3 विकेट तो लगा ही रहता है उसका. And anything with the bat is just a bonus. When I say bonus, you expect it from him. But अगर उसको 17-18 ओवर पे भी बैटिंग मिलती है, वो 1-2 छक्के तो लगा ही देगा.
Yeah. But my question is, amongst all this, I see a surprise package of Shreyas Iyer.
बताता हूँ मैं. पंगा ये है कि for a change, when you pick players from Delhi, you have budget is not a problem. ठीक है? यहाँ पे मैं आपको बता दूँ, they dropped Sam Billings. Such an idiotic selection. Okay? Today, he should play ahead of Corey Anderson. So 4 foreigners मेरे हिसाब से should be Pat Cummins, Kagiso Rabada, Chris Morris and Sam Billings. Corey Anderson shouldn't be playing in this team. At least अभी के लिए. Will they make that swap? I don't know, because Delhi is known for such crazy moves. ठीक है? Then you are left with Karun Nair, who has been in horrible form. ठीक है? Then you have Aditya Taret, जिसका कोई certainty नहीं है. The only guy जिसका certainty है is Sanju Samson. And Rishabh Pant. But Rishabh bats at 4 and 5. And look what Uthappa has been doing. Okay, so Uthappa in. तो अभी ऑप्शन क्या है? किसको लूं? मेरे को किसको तो लेना ही है दिल्ली से. So I go with Shreyas Iyer because Shreyas Iyer got a very smart 40 in the last match. So that's why I pick him. And chances are he could open if Tare steps down. Regardless, doesn't matter. मेरे को लेना है करके लिया है, कोई बड़ा होप नहीं है. करुण नायर, सैम बिलिंग्स, इन सब में बेट करने से अच्छा मैं I would pick on Shreyas Iyer. The moment I know Sam Billings is 100% sure to play, and we picked him, right? It makes little sense you pick some foreigner and he doesn't play, man. So it hurts, man. We have seen it before. So hopefully Billings plays. And should
but if you're sure that Billings is playing,
it's a
would you drop?
Swap. Straight swap.
Okay. So we'll have to wait and see.
We'll have to wait and see. But Delhi का क्या भरोसा?
हाँ यार, उनका ऑप्शन में भी भरोसा नहीं रहता, उनका
किसी चीज में भरोसा नहीं है.
That's why they are lying at the bottom. But if they lose this match, I think very slim chance of making into the top 4.
Yes, अभी तो it's become a 7-team league. ठीक है? Bangalore is mathematically eliminated. They have
played 9 matches.
They have played 9 matches. They are gone. Then अभी 7 टीम का लीग चल रहा है. 1 and 2 pretty much 99% we know 1 and 2 कौन होने वाला है. That is KKR, Mumbai. Then you talk about 3 and 4. Almost 90% again sure SRH is going to grab one spot. So बचा है सिर्फ 4th position. 4th position के लिए आप देखो, गुजरात after yesterday's win, they are in the fray. Pune is in the fray. Punjab is in the fray. Delhi is also in the fray.
Because they have played only 6 matches.
Exactly. Delhi has played 2 lesser as compared to the other teams. So बहुत competition होने वाला है, and I think it is always nice for the IPL that if you remember, IPL has always been a tournament where पहले 2 टीम already decide हो जाते हैं. Always the case. And चक्कर 3 and 4 में चलता रहता है और नीचे लोग 7 और 8 के लिए भी झगड़ा करते हैं. So I think पुणे.
I'll tell you what, there is no rule of relegation or any punishment.
होना चाहिए.
हाँ, होना चाहिए. तब जाके ये teams बहुत अच्छा करेंगे. Especially when you have teams
like Gujarat, RPS in the fray, and next year आप CSK and RR को वापस बुलावा दे रहे हो. I genuinely feel because 2 teams are coming in, 2 successful brands are coming in, you can't walk up to RPS or GL and say thank you very much. That is unfair, you know. I also understand. And मैं एक और बात बता दूं, pool of players आप देखो इतने vast है. Somebody like a Darren Sammy, Shakib Al Hasan, these guys are not getting a chance.
Yeah, exactly.
How cruel can this be? And people like Mitchell Johnson warming the bench. Imagine इनको नहीं chance मिलता.
You know, अगर ये player किसी और टीम में होते, for example, Shakib in Pune और पंजाब.
सोचो कितना balance रहता है कि. So this is where I feel it's a 10 league tournament. But ठीक है, हम उसके बारे में कभी और जिक्र करेंगे. Today, this is Nikhil. Can you just go through the team, please?
Okay, so talking about the team, we start with Robin Uthappa. In batting lineup, we have Shreyas Iyer, Manish Pandey, Gautam Gambhir, Sanju Samson. In all-rounders category, we have Chris Morris, who is our captain. Yeah. And in bowling, we have a full pack.
पिछले बार भी हम 5 बॉलर के साथ गए थे, सक्सेस मिला था. तुम्हें याद है हमने पॉडकास्ट किया था उसके बारे में.
So it is Kagiso Rabada, Sunil Narine, Amit Mishra, Umesh Yadav and Kuldeep Yadav. Sunil Narine is our vice captain.
And I don't have to explain again why. And he's playing at the Eden. So yes.
Okay.
In fact, मैं एक आर्टिकल करूंगा why forget Narine the bowler, pick Narine the batsman in fantasy cricket. Very short and sweet.
All right. There you go. Let's move on to the next match, which is happening today.
Okay, so before we go on to the next match, scattered thunderstorms predicted for this clash. At the Eden.
Acha, the previous match.
Yes, that's correct. Between KKR and who's DD. So so be very careful.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So there's some weather.
अपना job है ना, बताना लोगों को अपना काम है. Yes.
Moving on to the next match, it's Punjab versus Hyderabad. Most probably Hyderabad will be taking this, but if you look at the team selection, we have Moses Enriquez back in our team.
We have Moses Enriquez back. First of all, the match is going to be played at Mohali.
Okay.
Oh,
they are back in their home.
That's घर नहीं है उनका यार, उनको कोई घर वर नहीं है. So that's but the weather is very clear for starters. And if you look at the combination of 2 teams, there is a word that Darren Sammy might take the spot ahead of Marcus Stoinis. This is from the Kings 11 Punjab camp. Now that is one. If that happens, should you be affected? Should you pick him? No. Why? Because Amla hai, Sean Marsh hai, you are very well sorted, and Maxwell hai. So I don't think 4th foreigner लेने की कोई बात बनती है यहाँ पे. Talk about Hyderabad. The news is Yuvraj Singh is not 100% healthy.
Okay.
So what this can do is Hyderabad will have to further beef their batting order, which means the likes of Henriquez and Kane Williamson will have to stay. Now, if Yuvraj plays, they could walk up to one of Williamson or Henriquez and say, unfortunate, you know, one of you will have to be benched so that we can play a Mustafizur or a Chris Jordan or even a Ben Cutting.
Why not Nabi?
मुझे नहीं लगता Nabi. The reason, okay, it's a very valid question. Bipul Sharma and Rashid Khan have been bowling well in tandem.
Yes.
So if Nabi comes in, Nabi will again give you the spin bowling option and he does a very good job. But where SRH have struggled over the last 2 matches is no Barinder Saran, no Ashish Nehra. The likes of Siddharth Kaul and who's the other bowler? Mohammad Siraj. These 2 guys have proved to be very expensive. So they would want to curtail the flow of runs. That's where they would go for an experienced candidate in Ashish Nehra, somebody like a Barinder Saran. They could also get Mustafizur Rahman. Mind you, Mustafizur is leaving for Bangladesh on the 5th of May because he's got to join their preparation camp. So last cutoff date
all the Bangladeshi players will be moving.
Yes. So 4th is the last date. So SRH might say, okay, till the time he's there, we'll make use of him. They could play him. But because Yuvraj's place is in doubt today, you know, I think this will be the... If you look at our team, we've got all the SRH 4 foreigners. देखो?
Yeah.
देखा तुमने?
Yeah.
So Williamson भी है, Henriquez भी है, Rashid भी है, Warner भी है. इसमें से 2 तो पक्का खेलने वाला अपने को कंफर्म मालूम है. That is Rashid and David Warner. If Yuvraj is declared fit, one of Henriquez or Williamson could go. नाउ यू माइट आस्क मी तो मैंने ऐसे टीम क्यों बनाया? ओके, तो आप अगर ये सेम टीम बनाओ तो आप ऐसे समस्या में आ जाओगे कि लास्ट प्लेयर में लू तो भी किसको लू? ठीक है, आशीष नेहरा फिट है नहीं फिट है पता नहीं, भरिंदर शरण खेलेगा नहीं पता, कौन से बॉलर्स को आप ले सकते हो? यू कैन पिक टू, वी हैव ऑलरेडी पिक टू, दैट इज राशिद एंड भुवनेश्वर कुमार. फिर कहां जाओगे? हु फ्रॉम किंग्स 11 पंजाब? देयर इज ओनली वन बॉलर वर्थ पिकिंग, संदीप शर्मा. वन ऑलराउंडर वर्थ पिकिंग, अक्षर पटेल. तो करोगे तो भी क्या करोगे? किसको लोगे? सो यहाँ पे मैं बता रहा हूँ प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आएगी. वी हैव पिक्ड शॉन मार्श हु इज लाइकली टू ओपन विथ हशीम आमला. मनन गोरा could be used as a floater. Then it comes to Maxwell. You can say I'll drop Kane Williamson or a Henry Case and pick Maxwell. Budget नहीं है.
अच्छा, so this selection is zero budget.
Yes. So this is I think 0.5 कुछ बचा रहेगा. Maxwell आएगा नहीं आपको. So this is where
he's what, 10.5?
Maxwell is 10 or 10.5. Yes.
If he's 10, I think he can come in, na? Because
if he's 10, he would come in, but I don't think ऐसा मेरे को opportunity है वहाँ पे.
Okay.
So this is how the team is lined up now. Warner, Williamson, Henry Case. Considering Yuvraj sits out. So that's that. Yeah.
But Maxwell will pay for sure.
खेलेगा, लेकिन मैं किसकी जगह पे लूं? और मैक्सवेल इतना वोलेटाइल बंदा है यार. मार्च एंड आमला जैसे खेल रहे हैं, उनको ड्रॉप तो नहीं किया जा सकता ना.
नहीं, मैं मार्च और आमला की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आई वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट केन विलियमसन.
केन विलियमसन 89 इन द लास्ट मैच.
नहीं, केन विलियमसन, सी यू हैड अ डाउट ऑफ whether Yuvraj, if Yuvraj comes in, either Kane or Moses
chances high है, मैं बता रहा हूँ.
So why not pick a player who has a sure shot
तो
position?
आप एक काम करो, आप अगर विलियमसन या हेनरी केस में से भी एक को निकाल दो. मुझे नहीं लगता मैक्सवेल बजट में बैठ रहा है.
Okay.
मुझे नहीं लगता.
We'll have to check that.
Yes, we'll have to check that.
Okay. So I'll just go ahead and speak the team which has already been put up on our website, thefangarage.com. So we start with Vrindaman Saha because that's a straight choice.
Please don't ask me why not Naman Hoja. Please.
Batting mein we have Hashim Amla, Sean Marsh, Kane Williamson, David Warner, Shikhar Dhawan. In all-rounders we have Moses Henriquez, Akshar Patel, and bowling we have Sandeep Sharma, Bhuvneshwar Kumar and Rashid Khan. David Warner is our captain, which is a no-brainer. Rashid Khan is our vice captain. Now I would like to ask you, why not Bhuvneshwar Kumar? Because
very good question.
The thing is, all the teams have now gauged कि राशिद को मारने तो नहीं हो रहा. Let's play him.
Yeah. Very good point.
Maximum एक विकेट देना.
One of the reasons why people want Nikhil on the show is Nikhil सही सवाल पूछता है. So the country wants to know, the nation wants to know, whatever. So situation ऐसा है, सवाल बहुत जबरदस्त किया तुमने. भुवनेश्वर at Mohali, okay, and I expect some assistance. Could almost be unplayable, could pick 2 wickets. But as we have seen, Mohali extreme भी हो सकता है, पूरा पाटा विकेट भी बन सकता है. ठीक है, और जैसे अमला और मार्च खेल रहे हैं, मुझे लगता है इफ दे प्ले आउट भुवनेश्वर, अगर तुम्हारी ये थियरी भुवनेश्वर पे लगाए तो उसमें कोई गलत बात तो नहीं है.
नहीं है.
Okay, they might say he is their strike bowler, we'll play him out. So what happens? And then they might go after somebody in the slog overs or in the middle overs. तब कौन ऑपरेट करता है आफ्टर 6th ओवर से लेकर 15 ओवर तक? राशिद करता है. और राशिद का जो वेरिएशन है, एंड पंजाब जिस तरह खेलती है, जैसे उनके बैट्समैन आप देखो, तो मेरे को लगता है ही हैज मोर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ पिकिंग विकेट्स. बट व्हाट the point that you made is just fabulous.
But I'll tell you what,
it's a 55-45 call, Nikhil.
But I'll tell you what, maximum will go for Hashim Amla as vice captain.
And who can dispute that? Who can challenge that? Because he has been striking so very well. He has busted all the theories. Who would have thought Hashim Amla would get picked number 1 and then play almost all matches and score the way he has been scoring? Proper cricketing shots. That's the greatness of Hashim Amla. You know, interesting, I'll tell you. ये बात मेरे को कल मैं सुबह उठ के दांत घस रहा था, मेरे को ऐसे थॉट्स आते हैं, ये सच बात बता रहा हूँ. ठीक है, तो आई वाज कंपेयरिंग फाफ डू प्लेसी एंड हशीम आमला. व्हेन साउथ अफ्रीका प्लेज T20, आमला फाइंड्स इट डिफिकल्ट टू ब्रेक इनटू द टीम. ओके, एंड फाफ इज देयर ओपनर, 1 down, 2 down, whatever. And same format, even more demanding. IPL, Faf doesn't get a chance, Amla opens.
Faf doesn't, मतलब वो it's unfortunate कि वो टीम में आता है और उसे बैटिंग नहीं मिलती. But we know the caliber Faf has.
But this is how T20 works. तुम सोचो, नेशनल टीम में तुम compete कर रहे हो, तुम्हें जगह नहीं मिलता एक बंदे के साथ. तुम IPL खेलते हो, तुम पहले खेलते हो, वो आदमी नहीं खेलता. This is the nature of IPL, and obviously 2 different setups होता है ना, 2 different franchises, 2 different managements. So that's that.
Okay.
So ऐसे थॉट आया मेरे को और मैं हंस रहा था. Yeah, these things happen.
Guys, both the articles are up on our website, thefangarage.com, talking about the national team. BCCI should sort out the issues.
I really hope so, because otherwise the
Champions Trophy is something that fans wait for. We want to see good cricket happening, and that gives us, opportunity for fantasy league as well.
वो तो आने ही वाला है, वो तो लंबा एक और महीने का टूर्नामेंट है. Almost every day there is a match. I think the only break is between the final and semi-final. Otherwise non-stop है. So we are very excited. We'll do a build-up for sure, but we still have almost 30 days of IPL to go, 25 days.
Okay, on that note, we'll close this thing.
Yes.
If you have any doubts, you can write to us on Twitter, TFG Fantasy 11, and on Facebook, Fantasy Pandit. Our articles are up on our website, thefangarage.com. The podcast, you can listen to it on IndusVox Media, Audioboom, SoundCloud, iTunes, and definitely on YouTube. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Till then, keep hunting, guys. Bye-bye.
एक्सक्यूज मी भैया, एक्सक्यूज मी.
बोलिए मैडम.
मेन्यू में क्या है?
मेन्यू में सीन अनसीन है, पॉडकास्ट है, ऑन कोर्स है, साइरस है, मेड इन इंडिया, रीडिस्कवरी प्रोजेक्ट, एम्पावरिंग सीरीज, सेक्स वैक्स है, IVM लाइक्स है, सिंप्लीफाइड है, कीपिंग इट क्लियर है, ड्रिंक्स एंड डेस्टिनेशंस है, माय नेबर जकरबर्ग है, और द फैन गराज है. आपको क्या चाहिए?
एक बार रिपीट कर देंगे क्या?
रिपीट नहीं करता हम. आप जाओ IVMpodcast.com पे और सुनो ये सब, या फिर डाउनलोड करो उनका ऐप. सब आपकी उंगलियों पे.